Hi everyone, my name is Mike Saunders. I'm the Director of Scientific Innovation here at the Hughes Center. I'm pretty much brand new here at Synergy and Nature Sunshine, and it's been a really great experience getting to know the products, getting to know the science. I'm really excited about what's going on here. One of the things that I'm most excited about is essential greens. And the reason why I'm so excited about it is it fills 3 gaps that we normally would have in our diet. The first gap that pretty much everybody is aware of is we don't get enough vegetables. People do not eat vegetables on a regular basis. Because of that, we're missing fiber, we're missing micronutrients. We're just not getting what we need. And Essential Greens fills that gap. It basically provides a convenient, easy to use form of vegetables. You're just able to drink them and you've got it. The second gap that I want to talk about is kind of a phytonutrient gap. Even if we are trying to eat our vegetables, which is something that a lot of people do try to do, what we're eating is what we find at the grocery store. And if you look at what you find in the grocery store, it's not very diverse. You get a handful of different vegetables that you can buy, but there's not that much there. And the way that they're grown also significantly impacts how healthy they are. Modern agriculture is a business. It's all about growing food for profit. They're not caring about what's in the vegetables that you're getting. They don't care about how healthy they are. All they care about is, are people going to like the way they taste? And are people going to purchase them from me? That means that the food that you're getting, even though it's a vegetable, doesn't have much in the way of phytonutrients, doesn't have much in the way of healthy fibers. And even if you're eating what you should be eating as far as number of servings of fruits and vegetables, you're not getting what you need. So Essential Greens fills that gap. It provides phytonutrients from a multitude of different sources, such as your broccoli, your kale, but other sources as well that you wouldn't necessarily think about eating, like wheatgrass is a great source of phytonutrients that people don't normally eat. Barley grass, great source of phytonutrients people don't normally eat. Okra pod, again, great phytonutrients. Artichoke leaf is another thing that people don't normally eat much of. When you're eating an artichoke, you eat a little teeny small amount of the leaf, and the vast majority of the leaf, where the phytonutrients are, where all that healthy fiber is, we don't eat that. Lemongrass, it's used as a flavoring agent, but we don't actually eat the lemongrass. We're missing out on all of those phytonutrients. We're missing out on all of that healthy fiber. So with Essential Greens, you're actually getting to consume all of those nutrients. You're getting to consume all of those bits and pieces of that powerful plant health that you would not get from the grocery store. The third gap that I want to talk about is microbiome. So microbiome is basically the bacteria that live within our bodies. Our bodies consist of way more bacterial cells than they actually consist of human cells. Microbiome is a new frontier in scientific research as far as human health is concerned. And we're learning more and more about how important microbiome is and how much it touches on different aspects of health, from cognitive function to gut health, to the way that we absorb nutrients, to athletic performance. If we can optimize our microbiome, we will be a healthier person. And Essential Greens helps us do just that. The variety of fibers in Essential Greens, and some of the phytonutrients as well, they don't get broken down by the human body. They act as food for bacteria within our bodies. So more healthy bacteria grow and less unhealthy bacteria are able to grow within our gut. This leads to a healthier microbiome and an overall healthier life. So I love Essential Greens because it helps us to fill these 3 gaps. It allows us to get sufficient vegetables in our diet. It allows us to have phytonutrient and fiber-rich vegetables in our diet. It allows us to have vegetables that we wouldn't normally eat. And then it also allows us to have a healthy microbiome. It allows our body to flourish in ways that other products can't say. Essential Greens is a way to bridge the gap between where we want to be and where we are.